Hello friends, in this video I am going to share you how we can place a normal order on Upstox Pro app. So first thing we have to do is we have to add fund to our trading balance. You can see here I added almost like 911 rupees, and currently in my portfolio I have 10 stocks of, you have to see here, position holdings. Switch to holdings, you can see what we have in our holdings. 10 quantities of ITC, and current average price you can see here 3,282 rupees. Average price you can see here 231.57. So what I am going to do is I am going to buy another 2 quantity just to show how this process of buying will happen. So that first what we have to do is you have to go to our my list, means watch list. There you have to add the stock what you want to buy. For adding that, you can just simply press on this plus sign. If you press on this plus sign, search option will come. There you can search the stock what you want. Then you just click enable this one, or press on this plus, it will get added up. So I already added ITC in my watch list, so I just click on that one. So what our stock we need, we have to click on that one. Then in the first page you can see summary, and bottom you can see buy or sell options available here. So I'm going to make a buy order. Summary, all the details you can see, how many bit are there, how many ask quantity is there, option chain, everything you can switch it and you can see your own. In this video I'm not going to show all these details. Okay, in the bottom you have to press buy. Just press on buy. If you want to make a regular order, by default it will be that option. If you want to make a GTD order, you have to switch to this option. Okay, and if you want to do an intraday trade, you have to switch to intraday. Now I'm going with the delivery. I can just switch and show. Okay, delivery. Okay, ideally we can do 4 types of delivery order. One is market order, second one is limit, third one is stop loss limit, another one is stop loss market. So the difference is, in the market order, if you are entering the quantity here, whatever quantity we enter, I am making 2 quantity. By default, whatever the last sell bid is there, with that price order will be executed. So, and if you are selecting the option limit order, we have to enter the price here. Whatever limit price we entering here, if the price matches comes, order will be executed. In stop loss limit, we will get another option of trigger. So whatever price we entered here, once the price matches this price, whatever price we entering here, then that time only broker will send that order to the market. In stop loss market, it is almost like a limit order. So whatever price we enter here as a trigger, when that price reaches, means the current market price is 328.1. so if you are entering 328 here, when this 328 comes, at that time only broker, means Upstox, will send that order to the market. So in this video, first we will try with limit order. So current market price is 328. So I am keeping here price of 328.10, and I am sending the order. Let's see, it will, oh, now price is going increase. Okay, I am selected limit. Here you can see additional settings. If you want to go detailed all this thing, you can see here validity IOC. I am going with day order only. So limit I select. Here we will get an option to review the order. Once you press that one, you can see what is the quantity, all this thing. So I am trying with 2 quantity. I am so increasing the quantity limit. Now the price is getting increased, so to show the execution, better to keep higher price. I am keeping 30. Review order I am giving. Here you can see submit order. I am pressing that one. Once I pressed, Okay, now you can see in our order book, this is still open. You can see a regular order, still one order is open, it is not executed because there is no price match. Now you can see order open, current price is almost like 288.35 and I place order on 238.30. So now it may execute because no price match happened. Oh, but my okay, there may be a lot of quantity, so it was, maybe you can wait for 1 more second. Okay, now you can see order type, it is executed, order completed because now price match happened. Now if you want to see the order details, press on that order details. Now you can see order type, day, and view position. We will have an option of view position. There you have to click. Then you can see how much is the quantity we ordered, what's the average price, last trade price, means after price got increased. If you want to exit that order, means need to convert into an intraday and close it, we can use this option exit. Or if you want to make more purchase, you can use this option buy more. And if you want to go back, here again the option is there on the top. Oh, sorry. And there, okay, so I am going back. So going back now, if you want to see the position, you have to go to our portfolio. Okay, you can see under holdings it is 1 in position. You can switch it here. So once today's market hour is over, this stock is credited to my portfolio. Here you can see still that order is there. Quantity 2 I purchased, price is 328.30 and current price is last traded price, all this you can see here. So if you click again on that one, again that same page it will come where we will get option to exit all this thing. Okay, this is the ideal process of placing a order. In the case of limit order, market order, only the difference is if you place that order, whatever current match price comes, that order will be executed. Friends, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask to me. And if you would like to open account with Upstox, link is available in the description. Just use that link to open the account. Okay friends, any question you can comment on the below. Whatever I know, I will respond back. Thanks for watching my video. Bye, see you.